In this video, we talk about hardwood stairs, how much it costs, how to install it. That's coming right up.
Welcome to Home Buyers School, brought to you by Brookfield Residential.
Hi everyone, I'm Carl Ye, and welcome to another Home Buyer School video, a channel where you get the latest strategies, tactics, and tips from home buying experts. And remember, if this is your first time on this channel and you want to get the latest strategies from the experts, hit the subscription button below, hit the little notification bell so you don't miss anything. So today I'm joined by Deborah Armstrong, Senior Interior Designer with Brookfield Residential, and we're going to talk about hardwood stairs today. So Deborah, first of all, how much does it cost to install hardwood stairs?
It's not cheap,
Yeah.
Carl. It's not, but a lot of people really like the look of it. You're looking with labor, and again, depending on the hardwood that you choose, anywhere from $100 to $200 per step.
Per step. So
Yeah.
if I have 8 steps, that's $800.
That's correct.
Right. And is it any type of hardwood, or obviously the price goes up with the type of hardwood?
Exactly.
That
There's all different, types of hardwood out there, but generally, a broad range, anywhere you can estimate.
And I guess really simple question is, how do you put hardwood on the stairs? Do you take out the entire stair that you already have and put the hardwood in, or do you put it on top?
Yeah, you put it on top. So, your stairs is already there. It's usually plywood based. It's built by the stair manufacturer. And then either yourself or, your hardwood supplier would come in and install the hardwood, and they would nail it and glue it.
Okay.
It usually has a little bull nose of solid wood in the front that's rounded. In most cases, sometimes they're square now for a more contemporary look. But
and how durable are these stairs? Because obviously everybody uses them.
they're very durable, more durable than carpet.
Okay.
They don't get a wear pattern like carpet would, or a crushing, like a carpet would.
Yeah.
So a lot of people tend to think that they want the hardwood because, they're not going to have that carpet that uglies out, after a few years.
The funny thing though is, well, maybe not so funny, but wouldn't there be a lot more slippage?
Absolutely. Hardwood is very, very slippery.
Yeah.
I personally don't recommend it if there's young children in the home, lots of pets that run up and down the stairs, elderly. If you're not holding on and the stairs correctly, it's so easy, and with sock feet, just to slip down those stairs, and there's nothing going to stop you.
Oh, and speaking of pets, so does the hardwood's like any type of hardwood, right?
Yes.
And remember, if you want to know more about our videos on engineered versus solid hardwood, take a look at our video above. In terms of pets, is it durable in terms of you've got cats or dogs running up and down? Will you see those scratch marks?
Yes, you can. If you've got a big dog that feels like he's slipping and he's really digging in as he's going up and down, yes, you're going to see those scratches.
Okay.
On the stairs, for sure.
And now I've seen people put, I don't know what you call those.
Carpet runner?
Yeah.
Yes. People do, because maybe they like the look of hardwood.
Okay.
It's a little slippery, so they'll run a carpet all the way up in the center and leave a bit of the hardwood on the side.
Yeah.
Yes, people do that. Some people think that it might be cheaper if they're doing an install themselves, just to add a little bit of hardwood on the side of the stairs to make it look like they're hardwood, and then have carpet inlaid.
Yeah.
But for the labor that costs, you might as well put the hardwood all the way across and put your
So it's more expensive to put the carpet and then the hardwood on the side.
Yeah.
Okay.
Labor-wise, it's easier probably just to put the hardwood all the way across.
And is there anything that you can do to make the hardwood less slippery?
There is a product out there, but it changes the color of the wood. It makes it a little more milky, but it's a non-slip type of, sealer that you can put on the stairs. It helps a little bit. The only thing that is it attracts the dust.
Oh, okay.
And things like that, because of course it's got that little bit of a sticky, rubbery feel. So, that's another contender that you're going to have to look into.
And how often, first of all, is it waterproof?
Hardwood stairs are not waterproof.
Oh, okay.
The only way you're going to have a waterproof is if you're going to use an LVP product.
Oh, okay.
A luxury vinyl plank, which is pure vinyl. No, you're going to treat it the exact same way as you would do your hardwood floor.
Okay. Okay. And how often do you need to treat it? Well, I guess for the amount of use that's going to be on.
Yeah, well, they're usually pre-sealed, so you don't need to treat it. If it's an oleo type of hardwood on the stairs, you're going to oil it.
Oh, okay. Okay, and how often would you think you'd need to do that?
Depending again on the traffic, but you usually every few years.
Every 3 years?
Yeah,
Okay.
in a high traffic area.
Do you want anything to add in terms of hardwood stairs?
Just really consider if you have children, elderly, or pets that are using these stairs often, carpet is probably the best way to go.
So question of the day for you is, do you own hardwood stairs and what is your experience with them? Let us know in the comment section below. Thank you very much for joining us, and we'll catch you next time.
That's another edition of Homebuyer School. Tune in next time for more expert tips and tricks. And visit homebuyersschool.ca to bring you one step closer to finding your dream home. As with everything, it would be great if you like and share our videos. Also, please let us know if you have any home buying questions you want us to answer.